So this is the start of a new project. Not really a hot rod, but a 97 Chevy 2500, 5.7 Vortec. Purchased this a few years ago. Bought it at an auction because it had this nice lightweight aluminum Tommy lift. And for the last couple of years, it's actually just been holding my ladders sitting in the back of my parking lot. However, this is going to be a build to put it back together to make an awesome work truck out of this severely rusted, worn out Chevy. I'm using this Chevy Yukon, or GMC Yukon, as a donor vehicle. Has some pretty good condition fenders, doors, radiator support. This one here is just totally rotted out, falling apart. You can see the whole bottom of the door is just shot. And so this project's not going to be necessarily a hot rod, but I'm going to take this old truck and make it be a good work truck again. So if you're interested, subscribe.